The 2026 Chevrolet Trax just solved every major complaint that has frustrated subcompact SUV buyers for years, delivering shocking value at a price that makes competitors look overpriced. If you're tired of choosing between affordability and quality, constantly compromising on space, features, or reliability just to stay within budget, this vehicle eliminates those painful trade-offs completely. While most automakers force you to pay luxury prices for basic features, the Trax proves you can get genuine quality, impressive space, and advanced technology without breaking the bank. Practicality is the key. Nothing kills the joy of owning a small SUV faster than constantly fighting for space. You're packing for a weekend trip, but your luggage barely fits. You're picking up friends, but everyone's knees are pressed against the seat in front of them. The Trax eliminates these daily frustrations with intelligent space management that puts much larger vehicles to shame. Front passengers get 41.9 inches of legroom, creating the same spacious feeling you'd find in mid-size sedans. The rear seats offer 38.7 inches of legroom that keeps adult passengers comfortable on longer journeys. The seating position feels natural and commanding, giving occupants excellent visibility without the claustrophobic feeling that makes passengers dread longer rides. The cargo area seems even more impressive. The Trax delivers 25.6 cubic feet behind the rear seats, outperforming nearly every rival in the subcompact segment. Need to move furniture or camping gear? Fold those rear seats down, and you're looking at 54.1 cubic feet of total storage. The wide opening and low-load floor mean you won't throw out your back wrestling heavy items into the cargo bay. Daily convenience gets equal attention throughout the cabin. Deep door pockets hold water bottles securely during sharp turns. The center console swallows larger items like tablets and charging cables. Smaller bins keep essential items organized and within reach. All this practicality means nothing if the vehicle looks like a boring appliance that screams budget choice to everyone who sees it, which is exactly where the design updates become crucial. Small but noticeable updates. The current Trax generation launched relatively recently, therefore major changes would be unnecessary. But Chevrolet recognized that even subtle improvements can keep owners feeling proud. So the 2026 model receives carefully chosen updates that add visual appeal without disrupting the successful formula. Two new exterior colors join the lineup: White Sands and Apex Red. White Sands offers that sophisticated modern look that makes your neighbors wonder if you spent more money than you actually did. Apex Red provides the bold, energetic appearance that turns heads in parking lots filled with boring silver and gray crossovers. The exterior design remains one of the Trax's strongest selling points. Sharp character lines and well-proportioned dimensions create a mature, sophisticated appearance that doesn't scream budget vehicle. Unlike competitors that look like lifted hatchbacks trying too hard to be SUVs, the Trax actually resembles a proper crossover. Black plastic cladding adds ruggedness while protecting the paint from inevitable scrapes and scratches. The styling looks impressive from the outside, but good looks won't get you very far if there's not enough power under the hood to back up those sharp design lines. Powertrain. One of the biggest fears when buying an affordable vehicle is getting stuck with an engine that can't keep up with traffic. You're merging onto the highway, but the engine wheezes and struggles to reach highway speeds. The Trax's 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine might seem small on paper at 137 horsepower and 162 pound-feet of torque, but it delivers the real-world performance that matters most. The turbocharger provides strong, low-end torque delivery that makes the Trax feel responsive when you need to dart through city traffic or escape a tight parking spot. 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration takes 8.8 seconds, which places it squarely in the middle of the subcompact segment but provides adequate power for merging onto highways without that sinking feeling of inadequate performance. The 6-speed automatic transmission deserves special recognition for solving one of the most annoying problems in this price range. While competitors rely on continuously variable transmissions that drone endlessly, the Trax uses a conventional automatic that shifts smoothly and predictably. You get the satisfying feeling of actual gear changes instead of that rubber band sensation. But here's where the Trax really shines: fuel efficiency that actually saves you money. EPA ratings of 28 miles per gallon city and 32 miles per gallon highway deliver genuine savings at the pump. In real-world testing, the Trax consistently achieves around 30 miles per gallon in mixed driving conditions. For families covering 15,000 miles annually, this efficiency translates to hundreds of dollars in annual savings. The powertrain delivers performance without breaking your budget at the gas pump, but that efficiency would be meaningless if you had to sit in a cheap, uncomfortable cabin every day. Interior design. Walking into a cheap car usually means accepting an environment that constantly reminds you of every penny saved. Scratchy plastics catch your clothes. Gaps between panels look sloppy. The Trax takes a completely different approach, creating a cabin that feels genuinely upscale and makes you forget you're driving an affordable vehicle. The dashboard layout eliminates the frustration of hunting for basic controls while driving. Climate controls remain easily accessible through physical buttons instead of being buried in touchscreen menus. The logical positioning means you can adjust the temperature without taking your eyes off the road. Material quality impresses in ways that transform daily driving from endurance test to pleasant experience. While some hard plastic surfaces are present, they feature attractive textures that avoid the cheap appearance common in budget vehicles. Soft touch materials appear in key contact areas like armrests and door panels. Seating comfort exceeds expectations for preventing the fatigue that can ruin longer drives. Front seats provide good support without creating pressure points. The driving position feels natural and commanding, giving excellent visibility that reduces stress in heavy traffic. Rear passengers benefit from comfortable seating that doesn't feel like a punishment. The interior quality and comfort are impressive, but even the most beautiful cabin becomes frustrating if the technology doesn't work properly. Tech features. Nothing frustrates modern drivers more than technology that promises convenience but delivers complexity and unreliability. You want to play music from your phone, but the system won't connect. The Trax eliminates these daily technology headaches with an infotainment system that actually enhances the driving experience. Base, LS, and 1 RS trims come standard with an 8-inch touchscreen that handles essential functions without unnecessary complications. Upgrading to LT trim brings an 11-inch display paired with an 8-inch digital instrument cluster. These larger screens provide better visibility and more intuitive menu navigation. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard across the entire lineup, eliminating the cable clutter that turns your center console into a tangled mess. Music streaming, navigation, and hands-free calling work flawlessly, connecting quickly and maintaining stable connections throughout drives. The infotainment interface deserves praise for solving usability problems that plague many modern systems. Icons are large enough to tap safely while driving, and common functions remain easily accessible. Voice commands work reliably for basic tasks like changing radio stations or making phone calls. Strategic USB port placement ensures everyone can keep their devices powered during longer trips. Front passengers get 2 ports, while higher trims add rear passenger ports. Available features like wireless phone charging add convenience without excessive complexity. All this technology sounds expensive, but here's where the Trax really surprises buyers with pricing that makes these features accessible instead of exclusive. Trim levels and prices. The worst part about shopping for affordable vehicles is discovering that the advertised price gets you almost nothing. The Trax lineup proves that value engineering can benefit customers, with 5 trim levels that provide genuine choice without forcing you to pay extra for essentials. Starting at approximately $22,000, the LS trim includes LED headlights, an 8-inch touchscreen, wireless smartphone integration, and Chevrolet's Safety Assist suite. This level of standard equipment eliminates the frustration of driving a stripped-down vehicle. 4-wheel disc brakes, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist come standard. The LT trim, priced near $25,000, represents the sweet spot for buyers who want to feel good about their purchase without stretching the budget. The larger 11-inch touchscreen and digital instrument cluster significantly enhance the technology experience. Automatic climate control, push-button start, and a 6-speaker audio system add convenience that transforms basic transportation into genuinely pleasant driving. The range-topping 2 RS and Active trims, both priced around $26,000, deliver features that were once reserved for luxury vehicles. Heated seats and steering wheel provide genuine comfort during cold weather. Power-adjustable seating and premium exterior appointments create an upscale feeling that makes you proud to pull into any driveway. The pricing strategy makes every trim level attractive relative to competitors. Even the top trims cost less than the starting prices of many competing vehicles, creating genuine luxury features without premium pricing. The 2026 Chevrolet Trax represents a fundamental shift in what buyers can expect from affordable transportation, proving that budget-friendly doesn't have to mean cheap or compromised. From its surprisingly spacious interior to its efficient yet capable powertrain, refined cabin materials, and comprehensive technology package, the Trax delivers solutions to every major complaint that has plagued the subcompact SUV segment. With pricing that starts around $22,000 for a well-equipped base model and tops out around $26,000 for a fully loaded version, Chevrolet has created a vehicle that makes competitors look overpriced and under-equipped. But as great as the Trax is, there are competitors that feel even more impressive, which is why you must check out our next video about the reasons why Subaru Crosstrek owners will never sell their SUV. If you think this is yet another small crossover, you'll be amazed at how capable and practical it is. Thanks to the legendary all-wheel drive system, this Subaru is easily the best off-roader in the class that can make much more expensive SUVs run for their money.